Hello everybody, welcome back to Minecraft. Oh, why can't you join? Oh yes, your internet connection is off.
Are you connected to the George?
No,
No, I have.
that's not hang.
Why?
Your app share will automatically close it when you're done sharing a file. Oh yes. No one is watching this video. Download AppShare. It's awesome.
Bro, where am
You're here.
I? I can see you. Oh, hey!
Ouchie, wawasan na ya.
Don't attack me, please.
Yeah, right.
I'll
Yeah.
attack you. And don't try.
You got some. Hey, where's your woods?
I got. Huh?
Why am I laggy? All right there.
I lost my wood.
Where's my wood? Where's your wood?
I lost it.
Oh, jeez. Gonna have to kill you for a while. Come on. Now get some wood.
Kill me.
Get some wood.
Kill me.
Get some wood. Just get some wood now. Use Mobizen. It doesn't need any root because my.
I have this.
I'm pretty sure because my app is
Look
not.
what I have. Look what I have.
Give it to me. Download Mobizen so you can just download, so you can record some videos if you want and post them in YouTube. Share it to your friends like that. Mobizen doesn't need any root. That's what I'm pretty sure because my app is not rooted. Well, alright, so this friend with me is that TDM.
Hey bro, what's up?
So please, dig some wood for a while. Dig some wood for a while. Alright. Give it to me. Yeah. Dig some wood. So Dan, he's not actually a YouTuber, Dan TDM in Minecraft PC. It's actually my friend Dan. He's a big fan of Dan, so please dig some wood. There's still a wood here. Hey, there's still a wood here. Alright. You're too creepy. Come on, you're too creepy. Run! Well, I'm gonna have to get inside this cave. I think there's some stuff here. What's with you? Stop it. Oh, what's with you? I'm gonna get a revenge for a while. There. So, oh, it's midnight. And my difficulty is on. I'm gonna panic. I'm gonna build a house in the ocean. I'm crazy. I'm not actually a big. Well, make your own wood. I'm gonna make my own wood. I'm gonna stay here for the rest of the night. Difficulty is on. Build your house. I mean, here. Get in here. Get in here. Here. Over here. Here, in here. Not there. Oh, jeez. Don't jump. Stop it. Give me all the woods you got. Good. I don't need these. There. Perfect. We're gonna stay here for some nights. Alright. We're gonna take all this wood later. Here, I got a crafting table.
Oo, nandun siya. Kasi pa-check si Jello yung panira. Malalaki pa. O, tignan mo. Diyan, nakaugat siya.
Here,
Tignan mo.
I'll give you two swords. There's an Enderman. Oh my, there's an Enderman. Alright, stop chatting right now. Please, stop chatting. Oh, guys. It's almost, it's been 6 minutes. I forgot I was videoing. So, goodbye.